Hello friends, welcome to the tootscorner.com videos. Is instant oatmeal good for weight loss? Today let us find out the reasons for not including the ready-made instant oats over steel-cut oats for weight loss, which follows with a healthy recipe. Let us start. Oats are the whole grain with many nutritional benefits and the most likable breakfast for most of you, preferably during the winter months. If you're planning to lose weight by eating oats, you may go with steel cut, rolled oats or any other varieties, but instant oatmeal is not the right choice. The former types are low in fat and high in soluble fiber that works great to lose belly fat. Oats are gluten-free that lowers the blood sugar levels, reduces the risk of all types of cardiovascular diseases and works well when planning to lose weight. Now let us see why instant oats are not preferable for weight loss. Instant or quick oats are highly processed than the other three oat varieties. They are thinner and pre-cooked, which makes the cooking process more manageable and fast. Nevertheless, the nutritional value remains the same for all types as all are from whole oat growths. The major problem with instant oatmeal being not the preferable food is that it is rich in sodium and added sugars, which are not the preferable ingredients when you are trying to lose weight. Furthermore, a few of the beneficial nutrients are lost during the processing stage while making instant oatmeal. Now let us note down the reasons to choose the steel cut or rolled oats for weight loss. Include steel cut or rolled oats, which are rich in soluble fiber and antioxidants that keep you fuller for longer, as they are the preferred choice when you are planning to lose weight. Oatmeal has a fair amount of carbs that are whole grain carbs and are suitable for you, which keeps you energetic in the latter part of the day. Also, if you are consuming a healthy oatmeal breakfast with added fruits and nuts, it will keep you away from overeating of snacks and you will not be hungry throughout the day. Thus, you will shed the extra pounds without much pain. Now, let us prepare a no-cook overnight steel-cut oats for weight loss. Please note down the ingredients. You need steel-cut oats half cup, dates 5, cinnamon powder 1/8 teaspoon, dry ginger powder 1/8 teaspoon, salt a pinch, almond flakes 1 teaspoon and water 2 cups. Note down the method. Firstly, boil 2 cups of water in a pan. Add steel-cut oats to it and boil for 1 minute. Turn off the heat. Cover with the lid and keep for 1 hour. Transfer to a bowl and keep under refrigeration overnight. Take out and stir well on the next day. Soak dates in warm water for 10 minutes and remove seeds. Add soaked dates, cinnamon powder, dry ginger powder and salt into a blender. Blend until smooth. Pour it into the oats bowl and mix well. Garnish with almond flakes. Overnight steel-cut oats is ready to serve. I hope the information on instant oatmeal would be useful for you and would include steel-cut or rolled oats in your diet when you're planning for a weight loss regimen. Thank you.